Hi children, welcome you for the social class. Last class we have discussed about the lesson People's Revolt. The topic is Velu Nachiyar, Marudhu Brothers, South Indian Rebellion, Theeran Chinnamalai. Today class we are going to discuss about Vellore Mutiny. Vellore Mutiny. So before that, what is the meaning for mutiny? Mutiny means rebellion, war, fight, revolt. So this all is called as mutiny. Okay. So Vellore means in our Tamil Nadu there are 38 districts in our state. Okay. So one of the district is Vellore district. There are 38 districts in Tamil Nadu. So one of the district is Vellore. Okay. This Vellore fort happened the mutiny, fight, war is called as Vellore mutiny. Okay. So Vellore they built during 16th century. During 16th century, our Indian Emperor Vijayanagar built the Vellore fort. This Vellore fort happened the mutiny against British East India Company and Indian side. So this mutiny is called as Vellore mutiny. Today class we are going to discuss about Vellore mutiny. Okay. So what is the reason for the Vellore revolt? Okay. So previous class we have discussed about 4th Mysore war. Okay, 4th Mysore war. In that war, Tipu Sultan killed by British East India Company. British East India Company killed Tipu Sultan and Tipu Sultan family members they are arrested, prison. Prison means jail. Okay, they arrested and imprisoned this Vellore fort. Tipu Sultan family members they arrested this Vellore fort. Okay, so it was one of the reason. Another reason, South Indian Rebellion, 1800-2801. So in that time, South Indian Rebellion, most of the Palaikaras also arrested and imprisoned this Vellore fort. This is second reason. Third one, most of the Palaikaras, they working Indian Palaikaras, they working in British East India Company. They are working in soldiers, British East India Company. It is the third main reason. So they all joined together. They attacked British East India Company, this Vellore fort. Okay, so it is called as Vellore mutiny. So causes for the revolt. So first we are going to see about causes for the revolt. So the great opportunity expected by our Indian side to attack the British East India Company. Okay, the Madras British Governor William Cavendish introduced a new method British Army. Okay, introduced new method British Army. That method not interested by our Indian soldiers. It is main reason for attacked British East India Company. So it is the causes for the revolt. William Cavendish introduced a new method. Okay, new method in army side. Okay, so it is causes for the revolt. Okay, then what is the immediate causes? Okay, so main what are the new method introduced by William Cavendish means new discipline. Okay, strict discipline. Then has to remove the mustache, then beard, and introduced new uniform method and has to remove the forehead, any symbols. So this all introduced by William Cavendish and army. So Indian soldiers were working in British East India Company. So they are not interested to follow this new method. So it is the main causes for the revolt. Okay, so what is the immediate causes? So this all the many problems faced by Indian soldiers, but which is the immediate causes? So just the immediate causes means Agnew is Army General. Okay, is the British East India Company General, Army General introduced a new turban. So what is called turban? Turban means a cap, like a British style cap. Introduced a new turban. This turban, the color, everything, it is like British Europeans. Okay, it is this turban is like a Europeans, and this turban means cap, inscribed cross symbol. Okay, inscribed cross symbol. Okay, it was introduced by Agnew. This turban introduced by Army General Agnew introduced this turban. So it is called as Agnew turban. So this is like British style, and this turban they used to cross symbol. So this also not liked by our Indian soldiers. So this is the main causes for revolt against British East India Company. So which place they attacked? Vellore Fort. So Vellore Fort they started the revolt. So it is called as Vellore Mutiny. So Vellore Fort. Okay. So next we are going to see the topic as course of the revolt. Okay. Course of the revolt. So how they started the revolt? So our Indian side they expected to attack the British East India Company. So 10th July 1806. Okay, this Vellore Mutiny started in 1806. So 10th July 1806. In that time they conducted the marriage function Tipu Sultan daughter. This Vellore Fort. Okay, in that time Indian soldiers, Tipu Sultan family members, everyone they joined together. They attacked British East India Company. They attacked British East India Company inside the fort. Okay, so in that period, many British soldiers, many British officers killed our Indian soldiers. They killed Indian soldiers, and after they killed, they used to British flag in the fort was brought down. British flag they brought down, and tiger stripped flag. Okay, tiger stripped flag, Tipu Sultan flag hoisted, and they declared independence. Okay, Tipu Sultan family members declared as a leader of the Vellore Fort. Okay, but next we are going to see the topic is suppression of the revolt. But finally, same day 10th July 1806, same day British East India Company controlled this Vellore Mutiny. Suppression of the revolt. Okay, suppression of the revolt. Suppression of the revolt. So in that period, outside the fort, Major Coote. Okay, Major Coote is standing outside the fort. He has to help William Gillespie. Okay, he has to help William Gillespie, Governor General, Army General. He rushed to the fort, and within night they attacked our Indian soldiers. Again they brought control British East India Company. Okay, who's standing outside the fort? Major Coote. Okay, Major Coote standing outside the fort, and he has to help Colonel Gillespie. He has to help Colonel Gillespie. They rushed to the fort, and they brought control British East India Company, this Vellore Fort. Okay, so after they controlled this Vellore Fort within the day 10th July 1806. Okay, next one is causes of the fort. Okay, effect. So effect of the Vellore Fort. So effect of the Vellore Fort. Next one is reason for failure of the Vellore Fort. Vellore Fort. Okay. So effect of the Vellore Fort. After who won the battle? British East India Company won the battle. So final this battle, Tipu Sultan family arrested, imprisoned in Vellore Fort. But after this Vellore Mutiny, they sent to the Calcutta. From that places, they taken the Tipu Sultan family members and they sent to the Calcutta. Okay. And who is the Governor General of Madras? William Cavendish. He only introduced the new method of army. So in this reason only they started this Vellore Mutiny. Okay. So that the British East India Company removed the posting from William Cavendish from the governor posting. Okay. So these are effect of the Vellore Fort. Next one is reason for failure of the Vellore Fort. Okay. So that is the main reason. Failure of the Vellore Fort means British divide and ruled policy. It is the main reason. So what is divide and ruled policy? Our emperor they are not unity. Our emperor they are unity means easily they can attack the British East India Company, but our emperor, they are not unity. It is plus point of British East India Company. Okay, so divide and ruled policy. Divide and ruled policy. Then the rebellion was also not well organized. Suddenly they planned to attack British East India Company. Okay, so the rebellion also not well organized. And there were no proper leadership. Tipu Sultan family members also, they are not trained. Okay, they are not trained. So there is no any proper leadership to attack British East India Company. Do you understand? So this is the main reason for the Vellore mutiny is they introduced turban. Okay, it is the main immediate cause, but many reason is there. One is they arrested Tipu Sultan family members, they killed Palaikarar, they introduced army, okay, new discipline. So this is the main causes, but immediate causes is turban, Agnew turban. Agnew is introduced turban, so it is called as Agnew turban. It is the main immediate causes. Okay, so I hope you understood this session. So this class we discussed about Vellore mutiny. When it was happened means 1806. Okay, Vellore, it was one of the district in Tamil Nadu. Okay, one of the district in Tamil Nadu. So there are 38 districts in our Tamil Nadu. So going to Pollachi, Hathur, Edapadi. Okay, they are going to introduce a new district in Tamil Nadu, but at present there are 38 districts in Tamil Nadu. One of the district is Vellore. Okay. Next, we are going to see about current affairs. That is very important. So we should learn what is happening around us. Okay. So current affairs. So today our current affairs is, so previous class we have discussed about who is the Supanda police in Namakkal. So Mr. Arularasu. Okay. But our Tamil Nadu government, most of the IPS, Indian Police Service, Supanda police, transferred to many districts. Okay, most of the IPS transferred to many districts. There are 38 districts in Tamil Nadu. Okay. So before Erode district, Supanda police is Sakti Ganesan. At present, he transferred to Namakkal Supanda police. Our Namakkal Supanda police, Arularasu, transferred to Coimbatore Supanda police. Okay. So today our question is, who is the Supanda police in our Namakkal district is Sakti Ganesan. Okay. Sakti Ganesan is the Supanda police in our Namakkal district. Okay. Next, learn and write the following. So today your question is, write about the causes for the Vellore revolt. So causes means reason. So what is the reason for the Vellore revolt? We discussed already. Just write the following. And explain about the cause of the Vellore revolt. So what purpose they started this revolt? Explain about the cause of the Vellore revolt. And next question is, given detail about suppression of the Vellore revolt. How British East India Company controlled this Vellore fort. So this is your question. Just learn and write and complete the answer. I hope you understood this session very well. This class will be continued in the next video. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.